Cyanosis, Cyanosis, cyanosis. It is a bluish discoloration of the tissues and mucous membrane. It is a bluish discoloration of the tissues and mucous membrane that results when the absolute level of the that takes place when the absolute level of the reduced HB, reduced hemoglobin, that is deoxyhemoglobin in the capillary bed is more than 5 gram per deciliter, or due to the increased concentration of abnormal hemoglobin derivatives, or due to the increased concentration of abnormal hemoglobin derivative, that is meth, for example, that is methemoglobinemia, and SULP, SULP, sulfhemoglobinemia, SULPHEMOGLOBINEMIA, and methemoglobinemia spelling was METHEMOGLOBINEMIA in the superficial blood vessels. And mechanism of cyanosis, that is alveolar hypoventilation. Number 1. Number 2 is diffusion impairment. Number 3 is ventilation perfusion mismatch. Number 4, right to left shunting at the intracardiac great vessel or intrapulmonary level. And number 5 is due to hemoglobinopathy, including methemoglobinemia and sulfhemoglobinemia that limits the oxygen transport. Then, as we know, cyanosis is present. Where the cyanosis is present? It is present, number 1, on the fingers, then earlobes, then nails and lips. Then there is center cyanosis and peripheral cyanosis. Then the difference between the two. Area. In center cyanosis, it is generalized, and in peripheral, it is localized. Then number 1 area, number 2 tongue. Tongue is involved in the center cyanosis. It is not involved in the peripheral cyanosis. Number 3, if we handshake with the patient, or if we feel the hands of the patient, then in center cyanosis these are warm, and in peripheral it is cold. Clubbing in center cyanosis is usually present, and in peripheral not. Then in center cyanosis, if we apply oxygen, if we give oxygen, the pulmonary cause is improved. But in peripheral, that is not, in peripheral cyanosis, the cause is not improved. Then application of warming. If we apply heat to the patient, center cyanosis is not improved, but peripheral cyanosis is improved. Mechanism. In center cyanosis, it is the reduction of oxygen saturation. Reduction of oxygen saturation in center cyanosis. And in peripheral, it is a reduction of blood flow. Then capillary refill time. Capillary refill time in center cyanosis, it is less than 2 seconds, and while in peripheral cyanosis, it is more than 2 seconds. Center cyanosis, that is a pathological. Center cyanosis may be defined as a pathological condition caused by the reduced arterial oxygen saturation. It involves highly vascularized tissues, for example, lips and tongue, and mucous membrane, through which the blood flow is brisk, and the arteriovenous difference is minimum, and cardiac output here is typically normal, and patients have warm extremities. And in peripheral cyanosis, normal systemic arterial oxygen saturation and increased oxygen extraction. There is increased oxygen extraction from the peripheral blood that result in the wide systemic arteriovenous oxygen difference, and there is increased extraction of oxygen that results in the sluggish movement of the blood to the capillary circulation. Peripheral cyanosis affects the distal extremities and circumoral and periorbital areas. What is differential cyanosis? Definition. When cyanosis is present only in the toes but not in the fingers, it is called differential cyanosis. It is seen in PDA. Then the peripheral cyanosis and central cyanosis causes etiology. In peripheral cyanosis, let us remember by the mnemonic cold, and central cyanosis let us remember by the term PALMS, PALMS. So in peripheral cyanosis, C stands for cold, the O stands for obstruction, L stands for left ventricular failure and shock, and D stands for decreased cardiac output. These are the causes of peripheral cyanosis. And in central cyanosis, PALMS pneumonica. The P stands for polycythemia, A stands for altitude, L stands for lung disease, M stands for methemoglobinemia and sulfhemoglobinemia, and S stands for shunt. And pulmonary